Axiology is a branch of philosophy that deals with the nature of value and the evaluation of things or actions. It is concerned with questions like what is value and what are the different kinds of value, and how do we evaluate things as good or bad, right or wrong, valuable or worthless. There are two main types of value that are typically considered in axiology: intrinsic value and extrinsic value. Intrinsic value refers to the inherent value something has in and of itself, regardless of its relationship to other things or its usefulness to anyone. Extrinsic value, on the other hand, refers to the value that something has because of its relationship to other things or its usefulness to someone. One of the central questions in axiology is the nature of moral value, or the value that things or actions have in relation to ethical principles. This includes understanding the nature of moral goodness and moral rightness, as well as how we can determine what is morally good or right. Another important area of axiology is the nature of aesthetic value, or the value that things or actions have in relation to beauty or artistic merit. This includes understanding the nature of beauty and how we can determine what is aesthetically pleasing or valuable. There are many different theories and approaches to axiology, and philosophers have debated the nature of value and evaluation for a long time. Some key figures in the field include Plato, Aristotle, Immanuel Kant, and Stuart Mill. Axiology is an important field of philosophy that has significant implications for many other areas of inquiry, including ethics, aesthetics, and economics. It's concerned with understanding the nature and sources of value and how we can evaluate things and actions as good or bad or right or wrong.